Okay, so I just bought this MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, I guess. So yeah. I don't really
know. You break it already?
Okay, so this is just what it looks like. You know, it's a 13-inch 2018 or whatever MacBook Pro with a touch bar. And I just can't open it. Julia, can you open this? Julia's here.
Not surprising at all.
And I got Apple Care. And
Who's whispering?
And I got a lightning cable for my phone.
Get Caesars or something.
Caesars.
Or as
What
the
color
hardest
did you
try.
get? And how much inches did you get?
Space Gray 13.
She got 15.
It was $1,000 more.
Wait, do you have the one that has like the part
Yeah.
on the keyboard?
Yeah.
Where you can touch it?
What it also has Touch ID.
You should let me use your Chromebook for school because mine is showing up.
Okay, so I got the plastic off. And then she's coming out the shower. She's coming out the shower. Okay, so then the top just comes off like this. Like
Yeah, there's a 3-second roll. Yeah.
like this, and then this is not Space Gray. Is it?
It is.
Okay, so then this is what it looks like. It looks pretty big without like a 15-inch next to it. Okay, so this is it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't opened it or anything. I just looked at it in the store. So it comes with this packaging on it, and you just like, and it's so thin. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. So yeah, it has the touch bar and everything, so that's cute. And then it comes with obviously a charger for it. Oh, this is what the packaging looks like underneath the MacBook. So it just looks like this. You know, if you have an iPhone, then like it's kind of like the similar thing, just bigger. So it has like this little info packet. It has.
It's talking.
It's talking. It was talking. This is my charger for it. You know, MacBook Pro comes with charger. So yeah, that's the cube. And then this is the cord. So yeah, that was very short, but that's what it is. That's how it comes. I'm gonna carry it to school in the box.
Oh no, you're not.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
It's just extra.
Well, I don't have anything to put it in.
You're not gonna carry it in the box.
I don't see weird. Everybody's gonna be like, you're so extra.
Yeah.
But like, do I care? I just don't think I do. Okay. So yeah, that's the MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have a MacBook, that's
Send
cool.
her some tips on the comments.
Send me some. Oh god, I can't get it out now.
Oh, don't, bitch. Turn around.
I'm so scared.
So, yeah.
That was it, everybody. That is my MacBook Pro. 13-inch, 2018, with the touch bar and everything. And I'm getting a case, and I'm so excited to get the case. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Uh-huh.